Make a great choice today with the 2022 Eclipse Cross. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, heads-up display, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.